Do you want to make money while you sleep? Then this video is for you. I got two surprises coming up for you, so watch till the end. Passive income is an absolute dream and I'm here to make that happen. Just copy and paste what I tell you. Some of you watch the video and don't subscribe. That ain't right. For anyone who's unaware of the concept, affiliate marketing is just you promoting someone else's product and earning a commission whenever the sale happens. Simple. Also, to all the non-believers out there, people will never stop selling and buying stuff. So why not just score commission while they do that? There are 3 amazing affiliate platforms that I use myself to find products to promote. Amazon affiliates. This is the easiest method for everyone watching this. Amazon is used by more than half the world. The best part is that everyone trusts Amazon blindly. So there's very little convincing involved. I have talked about this previously. A common misconception among others is that the affiliate marketing can only be done by famous YouTubers or bloggers. That is just bullshit. You just need a social media account. Let's say you bought a face wash, you liked it, and you post a picture saying that the face wash is awesome. Where do they get it from? Along with the post, you put a link. Now this is an affiliate link that she got from Amazon. They buy the face wash and you get the commission. Boom! Affiliate marketing. Don't forget to like the video. If I get 100 likes, I will put out a list of easiest products on Amazon to promote. The first gift. I have a free course on affiliate marketing that you can take to multiply your results 10 times. Link in description. Clickbank and Digistore24. I'm combining 2 and 3 because both the platforms are exactly the same. This is also a very easy to use platform. These 2 platforms have physical products as well as virtual products. So we can make money promoting even the ebooks. Clickbank and Digistore24 offers 50% commission most of the times. That means if someone buys a product worth $200, you get $100 as commission. Now that's a lot of money. Many Clickbank affiliates are millionaires and keep on making millions every month. Now the how. You click on the link in description and create an account. When you click the link in description, this is the page that you will be taken to, clickbank.com. All you have to do is sign up. For signing up, you know the details that they ask. You're asked for the phone number, email address, the country, first name, last name, and then just click on join Clickbank. Once you have your sign up email address set, just go to the sign in page again and enter your email address, your password, and login. The interface for Clickbank looks something like this. All you have to do is go to the third last icon. It looks somewhat like a shop icon. So once you click on that, you will see the categories. We have millions of products to promote on Clickbank. You can choose your category, whichever product you want, and then start promoting. For example, I will go to health and fitness here and find a product that I want to promote. So all you need to do is get your product and click on promote. That will take you to this page where you have to generate hop links. Add your account nickname. So for me, I've added Nut for Thought and I generate a hop link. Hop link is nothing but your affiliate link. So just copy the link, promote it wherever you want it. You can do it on the social media, your YouTube videos, anything, anywhere. And the best part about Clickbank is that it doesn't give you pennies like Amazon affiliate. You actually get like 50% most of the time. Second gift. This gift is only for all of you who stay till the end. If you don't want to promote anything on your social media, that's fine. Still want to make money? That's cool. I have a free website that promotes your affiliate link on Facebook groups for free. It literally takes 1 minute every day. The website is 60secondtraffic.com. Link in description. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like and share with your friends. My name is Dee. This is Not For Your Thought. I love you and I'll see you in the next one.